Just in the mail, I ordered some LED fog lights for my second generation Speed 3. We're going to see what it looks like, what comes in the package. CorkSport from Washington is about, with exchange rate, $88 Canadian, and I'm going to be installing them on my 2010 Speed just to change the look a bit. Here with these, you don't have to do any alterations to the wiring. So I'll do a before and after shot just to see what it looks like. Okay, I just replaced my old fog lamps with these LED fog lamps from CorkSport. Reading the instructions, it says it takes 20 to 30 minutes. I found that I did take 30 minutes to replace the new LED lamps. I found on the driver's side it was easy to go in through the wheel well to access the driver's side fog lamp, but on the passenger side it was easier to come in through the bottom of the car. Just had to raise up the passenger side a bit, drove onto a ramp, a little more access, and I was able to go directly above into the passenger side. And it did actually, it took 25 minutes because at 5 minutes I was looking for a screw that I dropped onto my garage floor there, but it did go in no problem. I noticed that the light is a little brighter, and I know in reading the reviews it doesn't project that much further ahead, but it does change the light to a brighter light. It's more in comparison in line with actual headlamps. I did notice that when I looked at this box a little more carefully, it said made in Korea. I don't know, for some reason that surprised me. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought maybe it came from the States, but ordering it through CorkSport, I knew that it would be a direct OEM replacement, so I didn't want to go on eBay or Amazon and not be sure. Even though it's cheaper on those sites, you just don't know what you're getting. So I'm going to show you a before and after, and you be the judge.